Like, hi loves, I am Halicia, but I go by Lee. I don't want to spoil too much about this video, but we are going to go through, like, I guess my newer styling process with my shorter natural hair, because I cut it. Yes, I did, and I cut quite a bit off, about 3 to 4 inches of it. So before I ramble, or before you get too much of a peek at this goodness, let's just get started with the video. All right, let's get into the new cut. Here is she wet, fresh out the shower. She thick. Why you laughing? Oh, that's... She is. I am. Okay, so I got 2 products I will be using for a twist out. I've been using Mousse for a twist out, and Pattern Beauty just came out with 2 new products too. And y'all know I like their products. So this is the Detangling Nectar. I honestly used it and it reminds me of Kinky Curly Knot Today. So much. And then they also have the Curl Mousse. So I'm gonna try to use these 2 on a twist out with my base with the brush. I couldn't, you know what, one thing though, I couldn't get this to work, the pump on the detangler. Last time I actually took the top off. I don't want to do that again, but I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do. Look at this. What scalp? What part? This is how my hair used to be, I would say like a couple of years ago, but it was much longer. But it had this same like thickness and fullness and like super like kinkiness. And I knew something was different. I just couldn't put my finger on it. And then I was like, it's the haircut that brought it back to life. Like, now it's that texture again. So much better. I cannot wait till this grows back out. Okay, Mousse. I'm gonna cover the section in Mousse. Okay, I'm done for now. I am gonna sit under the dryer. I also put a little part in my head. I don't even know if that's gonna make it look better or worse, but I did it. That was literally just extra mousse. So I'm going to use my dryer and dryer attachment and sit under the dryer for like 30 minutes, and then I'll see y'all in the morning. Maybe an hour. 30, 45 minutes though, give or take. But in the morning, we will reconnect. It's the next day, and I'm gonna take out these twists. I kind of already started. You see, my hair is really soft, like super soft. I do like the definition also. So I think that the mousse is a win. I don't know how well it's gonna work for like my perm rods and stuff, but I'll have to see, because I also did mix it with that detangler. So I think that it's moisturizing enough to where I can just use it solo, like not mix it with any other product at all. So I'm not gonna separate the twist too much. As you can see, like I'm really loosely going through this, and I'm just gonna pick from here on out to like lift the roots. I just want to get the big chunks out so that I don't hit any snags like while I'm picking. So I'm just gonna feel for those with my hands. It also left my hair pretty stretched, which I thought was surprisingly different, because the last time I did a twist out, granted my hair has only been short now for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So pattern pick, it's not sponsored, but I do really like this pick because the teeth are really long and it doesn't seem to snag. And I pick my hair the same way, short or long, in both directions. So if you've seen pretty much any of my other hair videos, then you'll know that I pick my hair forward and then I will also pick it backwards. This kind of cute. Like, it's short, but it's kind of cute. Oh, I kind of like it. Okay. Now, what didn't stay is the part. There's like a little separation, but that part was like, nah, sis. I love how the curls look. They're just so like clumped. I love that. So I guess I'll just wear it like this, like a really short tapered fro. This is exactly how I want my hair to grow out to. So could you imagine it? Just imagine. You have to use your imagination because it's clearly not there yet, okay? Could you imagine as it gets longer, this is exactly how it's gonna look, but it will come out. So give me maybe like 6 months and it's going to create, y'all see the heart? It's going to be like a lopsided heart, but it'll be longer, like out to here. If I get like 3 more inches, so like this, okay? Whew. So my hair is actually, it's not that short, but before it was out to maybe like here. And I wish you could just feel my hair, but even though you can't, peep the definition. Just get into how defined it is. Let's see if I can see it. It's a little longer. So yeah, anyways, no edge control. I don't even think that I need it. Sometimes I like the look of like some of my hair being behind my ears. That's cute. Okay, I'm about to head out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video of me styling my natural hair in its new cut. The mirror is right here, so I'm looking in the mirror because I really like it. I cannot wait until I get back the length that I lost. But for now, this is a vibe. I can definitely, super cute. Like, oh, the curls. Look at that. I'm so happy that it's back to the health that it was. I know I mentioned this previously, like while I was doing my hair, but I knew that something was off with my hair. I knew that it wasn't the same. And initially I was like, is it like age? Because I'm getting older. Is it stress? And come to find out, I just needed a haircut. Like, it was stress, but it was stress on my hair, not like stress personally. It was just, I think, the amount of things that I had done to my hair over the years, kind of like back to back in a sense, without fully giving it a break. And this was like all of my new hair. So all of my new hair was essentially the same as it was before. Thick, full, like just really kinky, like just phenomenal. Because even before this, for like the last almost 2 years, if you guys notice, I have not done a twist out. And I hadn't done a twist out because my hair would be limp at the end. So it would look really full and thick at the roots, and then it would just fall. It was the weirdest thing ever, and no picking, no nothing was changing that. Like, I was like, what I couldn't figure out for the life of me what was wrong. And I was getting like trims, and y'all know I started cutting it myself because I was just over it. Like I was over the way that it was feeling. I was over the way that it was styling, and I think that it was because it wasn't in its healthiest state. But now it is. Now it definitely is. Yep. Okay, anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Make sure that you subscribe if you want to know like the full backstory on my whole hair situation. And please watch my Get Ready With Me in London, where I had on a wig because I had just cut my hair maybe like 2 days before. But I'm explaining the process and of course showing you guys like clips of when I got it cut. So definitely watch that video. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description bar and up here. So until next time, bye. Hi loves, I am Halicia, but I go by Lee. I don't want to spoil too much about this video, but we are going to go through like, I guess, my newer styling process with my shorter natural hair because I cut it. Yes, I did, and I cut quite a bit off, about 3 to 4 inches of it. So before I ramble or before you get too much of a peek at this goodness, let's just get started with the video.